Hello, welcome to season 6 of Cooking with KierCass. Today, we're cooking some delicious, tasty, wonderful bacon and eggies on toast.
Here we are back in the kitchen once again for another fantastic episode on everyone's favourite cooking show ever, Cooking with KierCass. Now, as the lovely narrator, who's quite handsome I might say, said in the intro, it is correct. Bacon and eggs. Beautiful breakfast. It's a staple. So, what are you going to need for bacon and eggs? Well, obviously, because I'm going to do mine on toast, I'm going to use some Vienna loaf because Vienna is great. The song is also great, but that's not the point I'm getting at or trying to make here. So, preemptively, what we'll start off by doing is chucking our toast in the toaster, but we're not going to set it down yet, because if we do, it's going to be cooked, but there's still going to be food that's cooking, and we don't want that. So we're just trying to be, we're prepping, we're trying to be proactive, not fucking reactive. Now it's time to turn this on, get it nice and hot. I like a nice hot pan. As you can also see, we've got the second camera going as well today. So you can actually see what I'm doing when I'm cooking in the fry pan. How fucking mental is that? What? Now, obviously, for bacon and eggies, we will need tongs. Tongs. Perfect for snatching doggies. Let's get our bacon on the pan. Now, actually let's wait for it just to get a little bit warmer. Now, as I've recently learnt, being the big dumb bum that I am, obviously I'm not the most technical cook in the world, right? Now, it only just occurred to me that, bacon has so much fat in it, you don't really need to add any more oil to the pan. For the eggies, sure. Everything else, not really. So, we're going to chuck our bacon on the pan. I'm having 2 bits of bacon. Oh, there's 3 bits left in the packet. I'm treating myself. We'll cook that one in just a minute, right? So while we got that sizzling away, doing its thing, gonna keep prepping, remember? Proactive, not reactive. So I get my plate ready. So then once everything's done, it's just chuck the bacon on, butter the toast, do the eggies, all that fun shit that you do. Yeah, as mentioned before, you need tongs. Now, as mentioned before, look at all the fat coming off the bacon rendering out. And oh my gosh, it is so yummy. So we're going to continue letting our bacon cook. Now, I'm also going to hit you with some fun facts. Did you know that bacon was first made from a pig? While bacon continues to cook, we need to also mention the eggies. So these eggs are made from eggs. Now the eggs, what you do is, with the shell, once you're done with it, obviously most people would chuck the shell in the bin. Not here on Cooking with KierCass. I've got this thing known as a garbage dispenser, also known as a golden retriever. And he likes his eggshells and his eggs. Maybe I should have hit it with just a little bit of oil, just a smidge of oil. Shit, that bacon's crisping up good. Is this the first time on this channel that I've actually cooked something on the stove? I think this actually may be something, the first time I've ever cooked on the stove on a Cooking with KierCass. Actual, somewhat proper cooking. So we've got some bacon on our plate already. We've got a third bit of bacon because no point just putting one piece of bacon away. So while that starts sizzling away, we'll chuck our rubbish in the bin because we like to clean as you go here. Clean as you go, clean as you go. Be-da-da-da, 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 shabba-da-da, me-na-na-na. Hear that sizzle? Now, obviously, when it comes to cooking your bacon, you can cook it as much or as little as you like. I like mine crispy, but not like super duper crispy. You know what I mean? Alrighty. That's bacon pretty much done. So, what we need to do now is turn the pan down to low heat. I'm going to add just a little bit of oil for the eggies. Little bit of oil for the eggies, just a wee bit. So now while we do that, toast is going down, eggies are going in. So as we mentioned before, we need our garbage disposal unit, also known as Chester. So crack our egg. Oh. Egg 1 in. Catch, mate. Egg 2 going in right now. This is drugs. This is your brain on drugs. Ready, watch. Now, every time I cook eggs, I don't know how, but I somehow manage to completely fuck it. Alrighty, I like to let my eggs cook up a little bit, and in just a second, we'll flip them over so they cook on the other side. I know you could put a lid and do like sunny side up or whatever it's called. I ain't doing that. So, get a spatula right under our egg, and we flip. And do the same with this one, and flip. Oh God. Let that cook for another, I don't know, minute or so, because I like my yolk runny. Anyway, I'm going to call time on the eggies. I'm going to say eggies are practically donezoed. Also, always use plastic in your non-stick like pans and that. For fuck's sake, please, just do that. Hot, 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 hot. 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 All right, now we need to butter our toast, because that is very important, and I like buttered toast. And that, my friends, is bacon and eggs on toast. Taste test. Tasty. Actually, get a fork. Quickly, I'm going to chuck some bacon on top of the eggs because that's just the way I like to do things. And we'll bite into it. Oh, Chester, you miserable old git. Here we go. Oh. Yuck.